One of the most bustling segments today is that of the compact SUV, and cracking it now is certainly a tall order. Thankfully, with the Venue, Hyundai needed a replacement, and they have jumped at the opportunity and gotten down to earth and launched this, the new Hyundai Venue, and we're driving the 1-litre turbo DCT. I'm Jim Gote for Car India. Welcome to our review. The new Hyundai Venue continues with the same tried and trusted engine options. You have the 1.2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine with a manual transmission. You also have another petrol, this one, that 1.2 turbo 3-cylinder with 120 horsepower that comes with a 6-speed IMT, which is the intelligent manual, or a 7-speed automatic DCT. There is also a 1.5-litre diesel engine. Now, let's see what this one's like. From the airport hotel, we headed through the city and then on to the outer ring road towards Ramoji Film City. The 1-litre 3-cylinder turbo petrol under the bonnet has 120 horsepower and 172 Nm of torque, giving the Venue a lot of go. The new parametric front grille is coated in dark chrome and has a sort of medieval age plate mail armor vibe to it. It looks boldly stylish while being just as eye-catching. Plus, it's set in a black mask base. The headlamps are as before, with the main LED projector unit set below the daytime lights in a split setup. Below the grille is a wide rectangular expanse of plastic that Hyundai hope will give the Venue a larger, more elevated stance. Along the side, the Venue has some juicy creases, especially over the wheel arches. The new 16-inch wheels get 215 section rubber on this SXO trim. The chrome door handles stand out, as do the thick black cladding and the silver roof range. The rear has sharp new LED clusters vertically stacked. The seats have seen a due revision and are more supportive. The front seat backs have been thinned out to make more rear knee room, the only problem I really found in the previous model. There is more than decent amount of room overall. The rear seat back is split 60-40 and also reclines to make for even more comfortable ergonomics. The tailgate opens up to a generous boot with about 350 litres, and the split folding seats add to flexibility. Hyundai's Blue Link suite is also part of the equipment list and offers more than 60 connected features. The new Venue also has the Home to Car feature, which works with both Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. The voice control system can also recognize regional languages. Wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay help integrate a smartphone with the car. It also gets convenient wireless charging as well as USB Type-A and Type-C ports. Plus, there's a smart keyless entry and drive, auto-folding wing mirrors, puddle lamps, an electric sunroof, and the interior air purifier. The ride quality is impressive, and it feels way more stable and planted at highway speeds than its predecessor did. The steering feels lovely and has excellent response. The brakes too have a good feel and bite. The Venue's drive modes evidently change the characteristics of the car. In Eco mode, it is more relaxed. Normal mode is ideal for city use, especially in traffic. Sport mode was my preference. the response is more immediate. Now the Hyundai Venue has proven to be quite the formidable car. We've been driving it for all morning and it has surprised us very pleasantly. The ride quality is sublime, the steering feel is impeccable. Overall they've done a fantastic job. And with a starting price of Rs 7.53 lakh onwards, it's a great choice for someone upgrading from a compact hatchback or even from something within the Hyundai family.